Hi everyone, this is Mike Cannon. I wanted to bring you a quick video on using MP4 videos with Easy Video Player. The problem is that it does not play nicely with MP4s converted or brought in from certain sources. What I'd like to do today is to show you the method that I use to convert videos from MP4 format into MP4 format, fix them, and then upload them to Easy Video Player. I don't know enough about video files and how they're composed to be able to tell you why you have to convert from one format to another MP4 format. What I do know is that this process works, and that, in my mind, is what really counts. You'll need to pick up both of these two programs that are listed at the top. One of them is a free MP4 converter. The other one is something that will make the video fast start. The interface on the converter is fairly straightforward. Take the file that you have, drag it over to this box up here in the top left. You'll see that you have a choice of a number of different formats to convert into. I picked the H.264 codec. Then I choose a place on the desktop where I want to save it, on the desktop so I can find it. Then you run the video converter. You can see on this one it's going to take a while, 6 minutes or so, so I'm going to come back as soon as this is finished. The file is now finished being converted, and so what I'm going to do is pull this into the MP4 Fast Start program and set it up so that it will start as soon as the player comes up on the screen. Use the Open Folder button to navigate to where the video is actually stored. It'll give you a selection of the files that are in this directory. Select the one that you want to make a fast start, and it will be highlighted. Then you click on the Fast Start button. The one we're working with now is about an 8 megabyte file, and you'll notice that it took no time at all to convert it so that it had a fast start capability. Now we get to the final and probably the most enjoyable step, which is uploading it to Easy Video Player. Sign into Easy Video Player, go to the Upload a New File button. You'll notice that it will take several different formats, which are highlighted here. Now browse your computer to find where that video was that you stored, the one that you had converted and made a fast start. Once you do that, click OK, come back to the screen, and then you can name your file. It doesn't have to be the actual MP4 name of the file, just make it one that's easy for you to remember. Once you have it named to your satisfaction, click on the Upload button and the file will begin uploading. One thing I don't like about Easy Video Player is it only gives you this little status bar. It doesn't show you how long it's going to take for the file to actually upload. So what I'm going to do again is to stop here and come back when the file is actually finished uploading. Now that the video is uploaded, you'll get to see the options you have to actually set that for your Easy Video Player on your web page. Up at the top you have several skins from which you can choose. Beneath that you have the ability to set the dimensions of the player. If you're going to actually do this into a constrained area, then I suggest you use that Preserve Aspect Ratio button. The autoplay button is down here. Click on it and it goes to yes. That means that as soon as it gets enough of the file downloaded, it will begin to play it. There are some other options that I generally set when I'm using a video I don't mind people downloading or embedding on their systems or on their websites. These two checkboxes here allow you to embed or share the video on another site. You can restrict it if you want to, where it just plays on your site. Click on the Save Settings button, and what you'll see is the next screen coming up with your choice of player. You'll see how quickly that began to upload, or that began to play, and you'll see the embed and share buttons down in the bottom right corner. So you can share it on social bookmarking sites or embed it somewhere else. Click in this box and that gives you the code that you can use to actually integrate that video onto a web page of your choice. Once you've copied the code, I suggest just you store it in Notepad. You can go back to the main screen and you'll see that there are a number of folders here. You can actually take these videos and put them into a folder that's easy for you to remember without changing any of the code that you have on your web page. There are other options that you have. You can get the code, change the settings, view statistics on each one of the videos, download the video, or delete it. So this is a very nice all-in-one solution for putting videos up on your website. So now you have a pretty easy three-step process to use in getting MP4s up on your website where they will play in Easy Video Player. The hardest part of this is probably going to be pulling those video files from the flip camera onto your desktop and then trying to figure out where they are. First thing you do is you convert the file to an MP4, even if it is an MP4. Then you run the Fast Start program on it. Then you upload the video with Easy Video Player, copy the code, and put it on the spot on your web page or in your blog where you want it to go. The video does not have to be loaded on the same blog as Easy Video Player's back end, so it's a nice flexible solution if you want to have one spot, one site for all your videos to store and play them on a multitude of sites. Thank you for being with me today, and I hope you have a lot of fun using Easy Video Player.